Yes, times have changed. Picaroons. Good service. Good public relations skill. I seen yesterday it was raining. I seen tree smokers, filthy smokers, outside having a cigarette. I said, boy, times have changed, eh? Uh-oh. Whoa. Whoa. Did I find Robert's bite? Well, I got a DOG. I gotta go back home. I'm gonna call the police, get that bike. Anyway, what was I saying? Pretty bad. Three filthy smokers outside. And I said it's pretty bad when it comes to the old days. Smokers were inside smoking cigarettes and all that. Now they're outside puffing the cigarette. And what do you see? You see this dog inside licking his balls. Yes, times have changed, huh? Dogs are inside the bar licking their balls, and the filthy smokers are outside. And this thing here, I think that's Robert's bite. I'm not sure. Okay, here's where I get myself in shit.